Sprinting to the future of law. A drop in the ocean. Roving the seven seas with sea drones. Part 2. What is India's story with sea drones? In the previous part of this issue, we got introduced to the concept of sea drone. Now let's look at what is happening in India around sea drones. The use of sea drones in India is not yet widely prevalent. However, new products are being developed, especially for the defense sector. Indian Navy is looking to deploy various types of UUVs and UAVs for operations in Indian Ocean and South China Sea. It is also expecting to procure up to 12 extra large UUVs. Each one is about 165 feet long with displacement of 300 tons and expected to operate for up to 45 days underwater. Its prototype is being planned to be released by next year. Various other agencies of the Indian governments are also developing sea drones. For example, 6 months ago, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, a government shipyard, launched a UAV named Nirakshi for sea mine detection, sea mine disposal, and underwater surveys. Indian companies like L&T are also developing various types of UAVs indigenously. L&T has developed 3 submersible sea drones with different capabilities and ranges named Adamya, Amogh, and Maya. According to the global data, the Indian USV market to reach $200 million by the year 2033, whereas the Indian UUV market is expected to grow even faster. In the next part of this issue, we will talk about who could be interested in sea drones.